What's up everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to share one of my secrets on how I back up my footage when I'm traveling. So more specifically, this video is referring to if you're on a travel journey where you can't carry a laptop or something to back up your footage and you don't want to carry a dozen memory cards or more, depending on how long you go. When I travel, sometimes I go for months, and I don't like to carry a computer with me because it's just something you have to worry about. My computer doesn't even have that much space that I could store all the footage on from a whole journey anyway. So what I ended up purchasing is right here. Small, compact, definitely smaller than a laptop. Fit in your bag. It's a My Passport Wireless Pro. Here she is. Now, the best thing about this is all you have to do to back up your footage is put in your SD card right here, press the button, it'll just blink while it's uploading the footage onto the drive, then it'll stop blinking when it's finished. It's also wireless, so if you did have a computer with you on your journey and just say your computer didn't have enough space to back everything up, so you want to get this too, you can access this wirelessly through your laptop and then transfer all your footage to your computer that way, or you can plug it straight into your computer like a normal traditional hard drive. I just want to share that secret with you. It's not really a secret. I mean, if you've done your research, you could have found it yourself. But I found this helpful, especially if you're shooting with cameras with SD cards or micro SD cards. They both work in here, and it's a great way to back up your footage while you're traveling. I hope this one, for all you travelers out there, is helpful. I'll link the product below so you can check it out there. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.